Okay, so to add on to another level now, what we're going to do is we could be inside of this area, like we have. This is our search building, but for law enforcement's sake, we could use this facility for that, and we can have them doing a building search, searching for a suspect or searching for maybe an active shooter. They come across a downed patient. The rest of the team, right now I'm by myself, but the rest of the team would carry on, and maybe one officer would stay and address that injury, or the officers would go shut down the threat, and then they would come back and address the injury. Depends on policies. So what we can do is come in, we get the officer to come in as though they're searching, they're coming in, they're searching, they identify the patient that's down, another quick check, I holster, the rest of my team would cover me, drop my knee like we talked about, on the injury. I can identify right away it's up high, so it's one of those junctional injuries. Get my wound packing material. Great thing is we're using our demo from earlier, so it really adds that extra level. As soon as I take my knee off, he starts that flow again, and I start my wound packing. And then when my partner thinks I've done enough, he stops the flow, and I can see it's starting to cease. So to me, I'm like, okay, I'm doing well. A little bit more. And lastly, I put this back on, knee back on, firearm back out, or maybe my team has said it's clear, and I can carry on and I can wrap the injury. So it's just another one of those sims we can add, one of those high fidelities that we can do for any layer of, whether it's police, law enforcement, fire, HS, any of those people. Okay. Anything to add?
No, absolutely. Think outside the box, right? If you're a fire department doing it and you're working with other agencies, and they're already fairly skilled and it's a good training exercise, introduce some smoke machines,
Sure.
some IEDs if you got a police team coming in, get them to utilize some of their training.
You can use cell phones with speakers, just some screaming.
Yeah, smoke alarms, trip some smoke alarms so they're going off.
Yeah.
If it's nighttime, have your strobe lights going on your equipment, right?
Yeah. If you're volunteer fire department in a rural area, you can talk to the local drama department. We've done that. Get the drama kids in. They always love doing that stuff. So yeah.
Yeah, when we did the RTAC course with Dr. Nick Sparrow, their students were awesome.
Right.
They had a lot of kids in there acting, and it adds that level of heightened awareness, right? That stress inoculation that we talk about. It just makes it a lot more realistic, and it's fun. It makes you think, it gets your heartbeat going when there's actually somebody there screaming that you don't know.